Hello friends, many of the times it happens that we want to remove the background from a picture, may it be for changing the background, may it be for any photo editing purpose, or may it be for making a passport size or stamp size photo from any bigger photo by cropping them. So we need to remove the background sometime, but if we want to do it in any application like Photoshop or similar, it takes time and it's hectic also. Today I'll show you how you can simply remove the background like this. It's very simple, very easy. I'll show two different ways of removing the background. So please stay tuned, watch the video till the end. Hello friends, welcome to my new channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads. As I said, I'll show you two different ways to remove the background from a picture. For doing that, we need to have an internet connection. In our computer or in our mobile, we will open the browser and open a website that is photoroom.com. It's PHOTOROOM.com. After opening the website, we will go to the photo editor option and then select AI background remover. This is the AI background remover. Now we can drag the photo from our computer or we can click on start from a photo. So we have a photo here. I'll select it. It will take just a few seconds for uploading and processing the photo, and just in a while it will simply remove the background. Isn't this very easy? Just in simple few clicks we can easily remove the background from any photo. This is absolutely free. There is no charge for it. And we can download the transparent image from here. But the only limitation is the download image is only available in 1280 by 1280 pixel size. If we need a bigger size, we need to go to the Pro plan, which is paid. So 1280 by 1280 is not a bad resolution. We will download this. It has downloaded. You see, this is the photo without a background. Now we can use it for any of our photo editing purpose, like we want to change the background or we want to put it in some other photo. We can do it with this background removed photo. If the 1280 by 1280 resolution is okay for us, then this site is the best background removal website I have found. But if your requirement is a higher resolution photo, we have a different website. As I said, I'll show two different ways. So I'll show you the second website that also removes the background, that is freepik.com, FREEPIK.com. and in the tools menu there is a background remover option. From here we will select upload an image or drop a file. We can drag and drop a file from our computer or we can simply upload an image. So I am selecting the image that I was using. This is the image. It takes few seconds for uploading and processing the photo. Just wait for a few seconds for the processing to be done, and the processing is done in a few seconds. Now you can see the background is completely removed. It also shows in a live comparison mode that how it looks in the background and how it looks without the background. In this website you can download it in a high resolution format. I'll show you. See, we did it in the photo room. It is showing the size 853 by 1280, and this one we did in the Freepik. Its size is 2666 by 4000. So it's in much higher resolution. This background remover is also very good. You can use it, but the only limitation with this site is in the free version you can only remove background from 5 images per day. So if it is for your personal use for 1-2 photos daily, you can use this website also. But personally I like the AI of photoroom.com website. So I have shown you two websites where you can remove the background of any photo. There are other websites also, but after testing many websites I found these two websites are good in quality as well as in performance. So today up to this, we will meet again in a new video. If you like my video, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time. Thank you for watching.